All right, got another project. This is a 2004 Honda Rancher ES 350, two-wheel drive. It has been sitting in his barn for a long time, but the plastics, after I get them washed up, they ought to look really good. Did have one accident. He said he bought this thing, or his dad bought this thing for him brand new, a long time ago when he was a kiddo, and he just rode the crap out of it on their farm. He had the battery out of it, put the battery in it, and the battery works. So it's got a lot of miles on it, 4,000 miles on it. 39.73 for the hours. It tried to crank, didn't want to, so it turns over. But I mean, it's gonna be nice. This thing's gonna be nice. I actually got this thing on a trade, traded some stuff for it. As soon as I can get it running, hopefully my wife will like to ride it. She likes riding that little one with the kiddos, and every now and then she'll take a ride on the big brute force over there. All right, so don't know what I did. Ooh. So starts up, wants to crank over with starting fluid. Just tells me we're not getting fuel. It's not leaking any fuel. So for sure the carburetor's gummed up. For sure, it's gotta be. Stay right there. All right.